Very much and welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm going to demonstrate how you can unlink the bar diagram created in Excel sheet and paste it to other sources. For example, now I am pasting the bar diagram from the Excel sheet to the PowerPoint. Now if I change the values in Excel sheet, for example, I change the values from 100 to 200, then the Excel sheet bar diagram changes. I make this 100 changes, and simultaneously it is also changing in the PowerPoint. If I want to not to change my bar diagram according to the Excel sheet, so I have to unlink this bar diagram. To do this, go to the file, click on info, and you will find related documents and edit links to file. Click on edit links to file. Now choose this and click on break link. Now close. Now that's all. Now if I change the values, then it will not change automatically. I change the values. Now you see it is not changing. It is the same as the previous. That's all. Thanks to all for watching.